The impact of COVID-19 vaccines on the pandemic will depend on several factors, including effectiveness of the vaccines, country preparedness, and how many people get vaccinated. Vaccines will significantly improve the toolkit we have to fight this disease, but not replace it. There is a big leap from vaccines to vaccination, and once we are on track to vaccinate billions of people across the world, we will be much closer to beating this virus. Until we are all protected through vaccination, we will need to continue using all the other tools at our disposal to protect ourselves and communities from this deadly virus.